Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iMessage and FaceTime waiting for activation error on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to drag down your control center and turn on aeroplane mode and again turn it off. So guys, after turn on aeroplane mode and turning it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Type here reset, type here reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then we have to just simply turn off and again turn it on to iMessages and FaceTime. For that you have to just simply open settings, scroll down and here is the option of FaceTime. So guys, simply turn off your FaceTime from here and again turn it on, and after that locate for the messages and from here guys simply again turn off and turn it on iMessages from here. And after doing this guys, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then the last solution is simply open your profile, scroll down and sign out your Apple ID for one time and again sign in your Apple ID, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the video helps you then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.